First question, mode. It is denoted by Z is equal to 3 into median minus question mark. First one, 3 arithmetic mean. Second one, 2 harmonic mean. Third one, 2 arithmetic mean. Fourth one, 2 geometric mean. Formula, mode of Z is equal to 3 into median minus 2 arithmetic mean. Second one, who is the father of statistics? First one, Bowley. Second one, R.A. Fisher. Third one, Weapons. Fourth one, Carl Pearson. Answer, R.A. Fisher. Third one, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40. What is the range? First one, 30, second one 20, third one 40, fourth one 35. Solution. Range formula, range is equal to L minus S. Here L is the largest value, S is the smallest value. From given data, in this largest value is 40 minus smallest value is 10. 40 minus 10 we get 30. Fourth one, Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness. Theoretically result obtained will vary between first one plus or minus 1, second one plus or minus 3, third one plus or minus 2, fourth one plus or minus 4. Answer, plus or minus 4. Fifth one, the coefficient of correlation according to Carl Pearson is always first one plus or minus 1, second one minus 1, third one plus 1, fourth one 0. Answer, plus or minus 1.